Today, we will discuss Kubernetes and Kafka. Both are intended to function as distributed systems. Kubernetes allocates application workloads throughout a cluster of nodes, whereas Kafka allocates data streams among a cluster of brokers. This decentralized architecture enables great availability, fault tolerance, and scalability. Kubernetes and Kafka are intricate systems that demand meticulous setup and oversight, particularly in production settings. Both can be challenging to set up at first and to keep maintained properly. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Kubernetes is a platform for orchestrating containers. It automates the management, scaling, and deployment of applications that are containerized, concentrates on executing and overseeing applications, especially microservices, in a scalable and robust way. Orchestration of containers, deployment and scaling of applications, resource management. Kubernetes oversees application, deploying microservices, and scaling web apps. Kubernetes can handle both stateless and stateful applications, yet stateful. Apache Kafka is a fundamental component of contemporary data architecture, functioning as distributed, real-time event streaming system. Its fundamental strength is its capacity to manage enormous amounts of data streams with remarkable speed and dependability. Kafka's architecture focuses on fault tolerance and scalability, guaranteeing that data stays accessible and can be processed consistently even during high load or system failures. Fundamentally, Kafka enables organization to handle and analyze data in real time, allowing them to gain instant insights and power agile, data-driven applications. All in all, Kubernetes provides the platform for running your applications, and Kafka provides the platform for managing your real-time data. They are often used together in modern data-intensive applications.